15-day video challenge, buying challenge. Decentraland is the highlight of the month. We're day number 2, Decentraland Metaverse Gaming. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. We've been buying this on Coinbase.com. Click on the link below, sign up, give it a chance, do your research. We're gonna buy this 15 straight days because I feel really good about Decentraland according to my research. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now I want to go ahead and give a shout out to Hector AB of creating the Captain Spreadsheet. He really took this spreadsheet to a completely different level. So every month we will have the project of the month where we'll buy it for like between 10 and 30 straight days. We just decided to do Decentraland for 15 straight days. Now today is February 8th, 2022. So now we're gonna go ahead and get Decentraland once again. And when I go look at Decentraland and I look at the website, this is the Twitter following here, it's very underrated. It's very, very underrated. And I'm excited to buy this for the second straight time. So this is how we're gonna do it. We have Ethereum already set aside. So we're gonna swap Ethereum for Decentraland. So there you go. I'm gonna switch that out. And we're gonna get, how much should we get? Let's get $200 worth of Decentraland. We're gonna swap it from Ethereum to Decentraland, okay? Now I'm gonna preview this and then I'm gonna put this in the Captain spreadsheet. So we're gonna get 58.9 Decentraland, right? So let me go ahead and add this in our Captain spreadsheet. We're gonna get 58.9 of this. And let me move this down just a tab. And we're gonna convert this now. I'll find out what the fees is in the final actually total once this happened here. View transaction, let's check out the transaction. And Decentraland looks really, really cool. Very virtual. Metaverse is in 2022. So let's go ahead and get this breakdown. So it's 200. It didn't say the fees here. I was trying to find out what's the breakdown in the fees. But I am going to go by this, what I did yesterday. I'm just going to go by the same fees here because I do not see this. So I'm going to do 198. Close this out here. 198 and 197.94. Let me see if that works. 200. Okay, so this is what we're going to go ahead and do here. Captain Spreadsheet, 15-day video challenge. And it will transaction notes. The transaction notes, first day of the challenge. And the second day, let's say, bought 58 decent mana tokens. Looking to buy more. So we're gonna try to fill out these transaction notes here. Need to track fees. Need to track fees. Okay, so now we have 58. We have 88 total. Our goal is going to be, I want to get about at least 600 of this. So that's going to be the goal, 600. And we've got the goal 600, so we got to get to do that there. We got to get 512 towards our goal. So we got to buy 512. Yeah, I'm going to say 600, probably going to move up even higher. I'm thinking possibly 1,000. 1,000. Let's go for 1,000. We're going to get 1,000. So right here, we are actually just beginning here. Dollar cost average. If you look at here, we actually bought more today than we did yesterday. And I do think Decentraland may have a pullback. I'm waiting for a pretty good pullback where we can get a little bit more. But the goal is going to be 1,000. I was thinking about 600 on 1,000. I think 1,000 is a really good one from here. And also, we just started here, so all this information will be filled out in future episodes. So this is Decentraland. We swapped some Ethereum for that because we still have some Ethereum left over as well. And we look at Decentraland and we look at here. It looks like a lot of fun. And also, day number 2 is in the books. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Do your research on Decentraland. I had to choose between Decentraland and the Sandbox. Decentraland won it. The Sandbox may be a challenge type series in the future, but Decentraland is all great today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.